Hello, on this video I'm gonna talk a little bit about C#'s string builder. But first let's talk about string versus string builder. So string is immutable and a string builder is mutable. Now how do I know that? If you go to the Microsoft website and search for string builder class, it tells you right here that it is a mutable string of characters. And if you do the same thing for string, it tells you right here the strings are immutable. So I know that string gives you the impression that the value can actually change because you can copy and concatenate and whatnot. But behind the scenes, the string does not change. A new string gets created and the values gets copied to the new variable. For a string builder, that doesn't happen. The string can actually shrink and expand. Now, there are more differences between string and string builder, but for now, this is good enough. So the next question is when to use a string versus a string builder. The string should be used whenever the variable never change. Now, if your variable change often, then use a string builder. Now let's write some code here on Visual Studio. For that, I'm going to create a new project. And now I'm going to create a new string builder. And now let's go over some of the features that string builder has. So we can append things to a string builder, and you can append just about anything. A char, a decimal, a double, float, int, just about anything. I am going to add here a boolean. And if I print this boolean, it gives me false. I can also append more than one thing at a time. So let's test this. Append, and I'm going to append a char, and then I'm going to append a string, and then I'm going to append a float, and then you can append a line. So there it is. You can append a lot of things at the same time, no problem. If you were doing this with a string, there will be a huge penalty in performance because you'd have to create the string again multiple times. With String Builder, you don't have to do that. Now, the other thing I like about String Builder is the replace. So let's replace XYZ by ABC. And sure enough, the XYZ gets replaced by ABC. Another thing I like about String Builder is the remove. So we can remove the starting index is going to be 0, and I want to remove 5 characters this time. And remove 5 characters. So we remove the false. And the last feature that I like is the index. So you can also use a string builder index and you can print certain characters. So I'm going to print the character number 1 here. Number 1 happens to be a. Let's try number 2 this time, index 2, so it's a B. And it prints the B. So there are a lot of more features for a string builder, but the whole purpose here is to show you that string builder should be used whenever your string is gonna change a lot. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. This is easy and you can do it.